Listen, man, I'm recording, just so you know.
I can't quit crying.
Yeah, I'm recording, just so you know.
I don't care.
Okay, cool. As long as you don't care, I don't care. Are you from here?
No, I'm a volunteer.
Yeah.
I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah.
You came down here to help?
To volunteer. Never seen nothing like this in my life.
I just don't know what to say.
Where do you start? Where do you start? I just helped this fella right here. So, his wife was in the front room. He was in the second room, the blue room. The dresser fell on the bed. It fell over, fell on the bed. She was under it. The whole wall, everything caved in on top of her.
Did she make it?
She made it. Both of them come out alive. I just dug his, I dug his John Deere. His trees and stuff was on top of his John Deere, his brand new tractor. He didn't want him to bulldoze it. He wanted the insurance to cover it. So I just went and dug his tractor out for him. And I just ain't never seen nothing like this in my life. Have you been all over town? Have you been downtown?
I've been down that side, but I'm still in the, I'm trying to process.
There ain't no figuring this out.
Yeah. Because what do you say to the survivors? What do you tell people?
Don't know. Don't know. All I can do is hug them and tell them I love them. That's all I can do. I can't even tell them God loves them. And I'm a Christian. I don't know, man.
And you came all the way from Utah?
Salt Lake City, yes, sir.
To help these folks?
Yes,
I've been to Salt Lake City before.
That's my home.
And it's not close to here. It's about 1,800 miles.
1,800 miles. Yeah. I got dropped off. I ain't even got transportation. I'm waiting on a bus right now.
Is the bus running down here still? Well, let's hope.
I just called them. They said it'd be here in about 15 minutes.
So the man and the couple that you helped here,
yes,
where are they now?
He's at the doctor's office and she's at the Super 8 Motel. That's where I'm staying at right now.
You're at the Super 8 also. Now, do you know if they get any assistance from anywhere?
FEMA.
FEMA. Okay.
FEMA. They didn't have renter's insurance. Luckily, they had full coverage on their car because this big oak tree right here, the car was parked under it.
You're talking that one in the back with the
that one right
chopped
here,
up? Okay.
That tree right there, their car was under it, and it just got flat like pancake, they said. I don't know what you say to people. I don't know. Here's what disgusts me. You see everybody coming together right now? Why can't people do that before devastation? Why can't we come together before devastation?
I'm happy you're saying that while I'm recording. I'm happy you're saying that, and you don't care that I'm recording.
I don't care. You post it wherever you want to post it.
It's going to be on YouTube.
I don't care where you put it, sir. My name's Charlie Morrow.
What did you just say? I want you to say it again so the world could hear what you said.
I don't know why it takes devastation for us to come together. We're family. Every one of us, folks, we're family. We're supposed to love one another. Why? Why does it take this for us to love one another? Come on, y'all, get it together, folks.
It's disheartening, man.
Oh, my God. I wrote that. I sent a text last night. That's exactly the words I said. I said, I'm not scared. It's just disheartening. It's disheartening.
Dozens of lives were lost.
Knock on wood, I thought there was 108 lost in this town together. There was only 76 in the whole state. That's what I heard this morning on the news.
I mean, one is too many.
One is too many, exactly correct.
But it's not 108.
Exactly correct. I come up here to volunteer for Samaritan's Purse. That's, would you care to get a picture of that shirt?
No, go ahead, you do it. You see, my thing is, big medias, they come in the first 2 days and they're gone. So I'm videoing this really.
I'm here till it's over.
People to see it because it's not a 1 day, 2 week, or 2 month thing.
I'm here till it's over.
This is going to be months, possibly years.
This town will never recover. They'll never have what they had back. This is a 150-year-old town. Their courthouse is 120 years old. They got. He showed me a house up here that is it's
100 plus years.
Historical.
Yeah. Is you talking that house with the lady and the 2 kids that were in?
Sir, I don't know. I've been here 3 days. I don't know nothing about nothing.
Yeah. Where's it at? It's somewhere around the corner.
This stop sign. Go that way.
Okay.
And you're also gonna pass. You're gonna pass some apartment buildings.
Yeah.
There were 5 lives lost in that apartment building.
On the left or right?
Okay, when you take a right at the stop sign, it's going to be on the left. And there were 5 lives lost in that apartment building. So pray for those families and pray for everybody in this town, folks. But anyway.
So the name of the group that you work for?
I'm going to show you right now.
Cool. Because too much information and publication, everything helps. Too little. Okay, so the Samaritans Purse.
I come up here to volunteer with these folks.
Okay, good. That's good, man. Well, I'm doing what I can.
Sir?
I'm doing what I can.
Can I hug you?
Yeah. Why not?
God bless you, my brother.
God bless you, man. Take it easy. Love is the key.
You make
thing.
sure.
Love.
So you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Love. Love's a big word. It's a deep word. I don't gotta like you.
No.
But if I see you struggling, if I see you hurting, I gotta love you enough to come and stop that. I gotta stop that pain if I've got the ability. And everybody's got that ability. Everybody's got that ability.
We need people down here to help with what's going on.
Come on, folks. Come on. We need all y'all.
Call them. Tell them that you need
Come
them.
on, we need all of y'all. Come on, world. We need some help here. Now take me off camera. I love you.
I love you,
I got to
man.
kiss you.
Thank you.
I love you.
Thank
I
you.
love you, sir.
Take it easy.
Pray, pray, pray.
I will pray.